Hi, it's Mark here again at jobbersinc.com in Philadelphia, 215-236-8500 or jobbersinc.com. Here we've got some antique gaskets, thermostat, and tune-up kit parts for an old Hercules JX series. It's got the auto light distributor setup. This is the original metal composition gasket and manifold gasket and the old thermostat. And we have these parts. We have some internal engine parts and other parts, manifolds, gaskets, pistons and rings. 215-236-8500 or jobbersinc.com. In Philadelphia, Pennsylvania for over 70 years, serving the engine community and the restoration community with antique parts and service. Thanks for watching.